Alright, what's up guys? Today I'll be headed over to get an oil change. I got an oil change appointment with the Z, and then I'm gonna meet up with one of my friends, longtime friend actually, to go to a car show. If that one's not popping, maybe we'll hit up the Euro meet or Euro Fest up in Irwindale. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let's go get this oil change. Gotta warm it up. Keep this shade on. 1, to protect against the sun, and 2, to give me some privacy at night. Can't trust nobody out here. Oil change is done. Give me no oil changing. It says right here. It's kind of crazy. Beast over there. It's pretty clean. See what I see?
Look at that. Look at that.
Are you like into
Exotics?
exotics?
Well, who is it?
Well, I mean, yeah, to each their own, right? That one looks like the one from Top Gear. You ever seen that episode?
It is. Or
It looks. I don't even
not
know
that
this.
same exact one, but yeah, it's one.
Boy's trying to get an M3. Pulls up to the Euro meet. Come on, man. Rip off, bro. What the hell? Damn, this guy's seats are getting wet. Oh, I like the lowers. Those are cool. Yo, fucking sucks, man. Rainy. We busted a fucking mission to get here and it started raining.
We could drive around and look at the cars.
Dude, it never rains here. It's kind of weird, man. Boy's like, oh, it's just a little bit of water. Yeah, right. Man, look at this. Whoa, bro. Oh, 350 or 370, whatever. Yeah, oh, fuck. A GTO, bro. Alright guys, we came to big SoCal Euro 2023 and it was kind of a bust. Raining non-stop. Got the Z right here on the, I don't know if you can see it, but got the Z chilling and it's pouring rain. Whoa, you see that? Your boy got some cool cars. I'll show what I can. Never rains in California. Cal's got to get his shit together. Come on, man. Bro, what in the world is going on? Poor people, look at that freaking drenched. Oh, that's... Hey, your boy's getting drenched too. What the hell? Dude, you gotta fix that, man. Look at that.
Do you know how much the window regulator is on that
Whoa! Come on, motherfucker squirting at me. What the hell?
5 minutes later.
Alright, we're getting out of here. We waited it out. It's still a mess, but... Died, which is great, but now your boy's still damaged. Well, you can't see it because his window sucks. It's broken. Look at that thing. It's not Euro, but damn, look at it. For all the truckers, I don't know. This has big dick energy written all over it. Look at this. Wow. I wouldn't want to mess with this guy. What the hell? They're not gunshots, all right? They're not good shots. They sound like gunshots. Holy shit. It's crazy.
Can you guys hear me? Put your hand up if you guys can hear me. Put your hand up. There you go. Some of you guys are sortables. How many of you guys are ready for a good time? Make some noise right now. How many of you guys are ready to hear some pop, 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 pop? Make some noise right now, some two-step. So right now we're gonna be having the two-step competition going down. I want everybody to get their cell phones out. Everybody get their cell phones out. Down there in the far end, can you guys hear me? Big SoCal Euro. We're gonna go ahead and start with the white one right here at the end. Hit it, let's go. All right, not bad. We'll do the next one. There you go. Come on, crowd, make some noise for both of them right there. We're gonna go with the next two. Here we go. Yeah. Go with the next one. Let's see. Ooh. There you go. Come on, you guys. We want to hear your encouragement. We want to hear your excitement. Now one on the left, on the right. There you go. Pull forward, please. Yeah. Which one? The last one? Don't forget to tag all your reels and videos at SoCal Euro. Here we go! Both of them at the same time! Go! Make some noise! Make some noise! Now they're gonna bring you an award. Hold on, let's see where they got it at. They're grabbing it. Should we get everybody going? Do you guys want to see all of them at the same time go? Make some noise for the king of two-step for 2023. That's what we're talking about. So right now, get ready, get those phones out. We're gonna have a drift demo going down right now, right here. So I want you guys to get ready. You guys having a good time? I want to make some noise if you are. That's what we're talking about right here. If you guys don't know me, my name is DJ.
That's a wrap. We're done, right? We're going home. Yeah. SoCal Euro Fest. It was dope. Towards the end, it started raining in the beginning, kind of whack. But yeah, it turned out to do a complete 180, and it was pretty sweet. So, deuces.